Right, so in today's lesson, I want you to make sure that you've got 3 black and white edits, like Imogen Cunningham. If you haven't, get those finished today. I want 3 edits in the style of Andy Small with the painterly backgrounds. If you've not done that yet, watch these link videos here where I show you how to do that, and some Lucy Shire's work as well. So once you've got all three for each of your artists, we're going to develop our favourite edits a bit further. So I'm going to use my edit of Andy Small today, and I'm going to show you how to use the clipping and pattern tools on the Photopea to make that effect there. So I'm going to open up my image, my favourite edit that I want to do. You want to pick your most successful one. Don't pick one that's not very good. The whole point of this is that we are developing our best work to create final pieces. The next thing you want to do is Google black and white patterns. And I have tried complex patterns like this, and I didn't think it worked very well. So I'm going to go with something a bit more blocky like this. You could do zebra print, you could do swirls, and the one on the side, I've used a black and white swirl to create that effect there. Okay, and I'm going to now sort of right click, save image as, and save that to my laptop. There's going to be a separate video on the last slide. Anyone working on a phone or iPad. So if you're working on a phone or iPad, stop this video now and go over to that demo. Okay. Once I'm in here, I'm going to do File Open, and I'm going to open up my pattern. You can see I've actually got some patterns that I've already tried. I've done that swirl one there, and I'm going to put that one in. Okay. So once that's open, it's going to open next to your flower. Your flower is here, your pattern is here. Now, this one has got some writing at the bottom. I need to get rid of that. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to use this crop tool, and I'm going to crop the image. Bring that up slightly. I don't want that navy band. Double click, and so on. Okay. Now I want to delete all the white areas. So I'm going to use the magic wand. That is just above the crop tool on the left. Magic wand. So I'm going to click the white and press delete. Click the white, press delete. Okay. And like I say, if you're working on a phone, I'm going to try it on the phone in a minute so you can have a go on that. And there we go. So the next thing to do is to get this pattern into the flower file. So just above the magic wand is this sort of rectangular select tool. I'm going to select this rectangle. I'm going to press copy. I'm going to go onto my flower, and I'm going to paste that in. You can see the pattern is above that one there. Okay. If it's too big or too small, go edit, transform to scale, and you can drag it about and make it smaller or bigger so it goes off the canvas, and manipulate that even more. I'm going to drag that out to about there. A little double click off the side will make that happen. Right, now we're going to make a copy of, I'm just going to get rid of, nope, we'll click on the advert. I'm going to make a copy of the background. So you can right click and press duplicate layer, or you can go layer, duplicate layer. So I've got 2 flowers. So duplicate that layer, and then I'm going to drag that one above it. So now I've got a flower, pattern, flower sort of sandwiched together. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, okay, and I'm going to find clipping mask. Now, if you're not using a mouse, your mouse pad, if you press the right hand side of it, it should act as a right click. So I've clipped it. So we're going to right click and press clipping mask. Okay, this layer is now linked to the pattern. I'm going to go back to the left hand side. I'm going to press the move tool. Okay, and that's above the rectangular one that I've just had. And now I can move my picture. Again, it might be a bit small or come off the edges a bit. I quite like that up there. That's quite cool. So if it's got this extra gap, what we can do, just like we did with the pattern, is we can go edit, transform. We want to do it to scale, and we can drag that out. And again, go back to your select tool. You can move this around again, really sort of play with that composition. I really like that one. I'm going to save that now. File, export as a JPEG, and save that. Okay. And then I'll pop that into the PowerPoint for you as well. That's it.